In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Santander UK mobile app. This guide will be your companion as you navigate the installation process, ensuring you have seamless access to your digital banking needs. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening up your web browser. This could be on your phone, tablet, or computer. You'll need to visit the official Santander UK website to find the app. Head over to www.santander.co.uk/personal/support/digital banking on your mobile. This is the digital banking page for Santander, where they provide handy resources to help you get started with mobile banking. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you'll want to scroll down a little. Keep your eyes peeled for step 2, where you'll notice the options to download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Here, you'll also find a useful button labeled, "Are you using a laptop or computer?" Clicking this will direct you to a QR code, which makes the process even easier if you're transitioning from a non-mobile device. Now, if you're currently on a computer and want to switch to your smartphone to complete the download, you have the option to scan the QR code provided on the web page. This step will significantly simplify the installation process. To do this, access the QR code scanner on your mobile device. Most smartphones have a built-in scanner in the camera app. Hover over the QR code, and it will redirect you to the appropriate app store for your device. Once you're in the App Store, either Google Play Store for Android devices or the Apple App Store for iOS, search for the Santander UK mobile banking app if you're not directly redirected. Once you find the app, tap to download and follow the on-screen instructions to install the application on your device. These steps are simple yet crucial for ensuring you have secure and reliable access to manage your banking needs online. Keep in mind that the app is designed to give you a convenient and secure way to do your banking anytime and anywhere, so downloading it is a fantastic move towards efficient personal finance management. After the app is finished installing, open it up and log in with your Santander account details. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to register first, following the instructions provided within the app. Rest assured, Santander has laid out clear and user-friendly instructions to guide you every step of the way, and there you have it, a full guide on how to download and install the Santander UK mobile app. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the benefits of mobile banking. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and guides.